Hey everybody, welcome back to L&B Outdoors. You remember this tiller right here? We got this back about 6 months ago when we got that three-wheeler. Well, it's time. I need to get it working. I need to make sure it's working right. We got a little garden to plant. Y'all stay tuned. We've got a 4-foot little tiller. So we're gonna get this thing loaded up real quick. So we got this from a buddy of mine. He said that he never used it much. So I think it is a Kubota or something. RB1601. I think that comes back to a Kubota, but I'm not sure. But it's a little 4-foot tiller. I did hook it up. I did run it for a second, but I don't know why. Why do they even make reverse tine tillers? I don't want to go in reverse. Plus you've got a little chute back here that's spring loaded. That would just mess that up if you went in reverse. Because the way that the PTO shaft runs on this tractor, of course, is clockwise. So if you look at these tines, I done changed 2 of them so you can kind of understand what I'm talking about. But under normal circumstances, this is the way this runs. It runs backwards. So I set up these 2 tines and this tine here. Hopefully you can see it. So whenever it does run backwards, it will dig. Yeah, I don't understand why they do that. So I don't know, there's probably 20 of these I'm going to have to rotate. Yeah, it's fun. So let me get this set up and started. I'm going to show you how I changed just a few of them. I ain't going to bore you to death with all of it. And then we'll come back in. Now I'm hoping y'all can see that. So I've got this one changed and this one changed. So let's just do this one next. These are kind of stuck in there, so you got to kind of wiggling them out. Oh, dadgummit. Look, I done messed up. That one I've already changed. No wonder it was coming out easy. They all need to face backwards the way this thing rotates. Well, let's tap that one back up. See, I can make mistakes too. Alright. That one was on there a little tough. Hammer time. Well, that one don't act like it wants to be changed. Them other 2 were a little tight, but not this bad. Finally, dadgum. Alright, so it came in like this. It turns. Oh, get where I can see something. It turns like this. So it's not even digging, but if you flip it around, now she'll dig. This is a pain in the butt. Maybe that bolt will go in now. Let's get it on. All right. That's 3 out of I don't know how many. So this one needs to be changed next. Be all right. No, that one does real good. All right, we're gonna turn it around. All right, there's a couple that I couldn't get to, and I'm not gonna worry about. But for the most part, this side's done. Oh boy, I get to do the other side now. Boy, this is an aggravation. But anyway, we're getting there. Slowly but surely. More of the same on this side, rinse and repeat. Some of these are going to be a little more aggravating to get to, but I'm going to try to get as many as I can. All right, we got them on. I couldn't get maybe 2 or 3 on each side, so for the most part, the majority of them is turned around. Let me tell you something. Them tips on them tines is sharp. Let me show you. Looks like I got into a fight with a cat. Arm's cut. And then this arm. They'll get you. So we got that done. These wheels come with it. I'm gonna get these situated on here. And then we're gonna go test it out. Not bad. Yeah, it's got holes in it. Yeah, it's old, but it worked. That is some rich black dirt. That ought to grow good. I know it's a small area, but as busy as I am, I didn't want to do a big half-acre garden or nothing, because I got to have time to manage it. And that's just something I don't never have most of the time, is time. So yeah, I think it done really good. I'm not too sure about these wheels. I don't really like these wheels. Of course, I can't get them all the way on either. I don't have a brush that I can send down through that cylinder on this one right here, on each one of them, to try to clean some of the rust out. So I just got them cleaned up a little bit, put them on to see how they work. I guess they kind of work as a guide. so it doesn't like bottom out completely. I don't really see a need for them. I mean, I may just take them back off. I come through it with a disc the other day just to chop it up some. I don't know if that tiller would really chew up this grass. It may beat you to death trying to chew up this grass, but yeah, I think that'll be a nice size little garden. Next weekend we're going to try to get out here and plant some taters and maybe a few more things. Ain't gonna be a big place, but it'll feed, it'll eat. But I'm right proud of the little old tiller. Can't go wrong with it. It's just old, needs work. That's just part of the fun. Now I get to go inside and doctor all these scrapes and cuts. I don't want no thickness. So anyway, I wanted y'all to see this thing in action and to see how it does. I don't know how long it's been sitting up. I know it ain't been used in several years. And the buddy I got it from, I don't think he used it much, if any at all. Have us a garden here for too long. What sun is blinding me. But listen, I appreciate y'all watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Interact. I need your help build our channel. I really do appreciate it. And we'll see y'all in the next video.